Yeah, g'day, Mitchell here from the Leeston store, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Christie post driver. Now, main thing that we can see here is powered by a Honda 4-stroke motor, and as we all know, very reliable. It's super easy to use, lightweight at only 13.5 kilo, and makes driving in these Y posts a heck of a lot easier, especially in the harder Canterbury soils like we are here out at Kimahia Farm based out near Lincoln. As you can see, everything's in easy reach with your primer located in here next to your choke. We've got main trigger here. It's got the safety here, so you've got to lock that in before you can pull that. We've got the engine kill switch right there located, so if you slip, you can at least flick it straight off, no problems whatsoever. As you can see, the handles are located on springs, so that way there's no jarring to your hands. Very important. Now, I could go on for days about how great this machine is, but how about I just show you. Now find yourself a flat patch to ground to get it propped up and get it started. And make sure you're wearing some form of air protection. Make sure that you've primed it properly and that the choke is on. Now find somewhere to lean it up against and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that the motor warms up enough. Man, I wish I'd had one of these back when I was dairy farming. Well, as you can see, that went very well. Obviously, we've just come out to a random paddock and put these in here for your demonstration. Now, we need to remove them. So for that, we have this little machine right here. Made in New Zealand, Y-post remover. The only thing we've got to do here with this, push down, lift your catch out, and put it around your hold side here where it's just that bit longer. You've got the groove in the catch there. Now, you're ready to go.